Hi everyone! In this video, I want to quickly introduce what's new in Zircon3D version 2.2. You can now upload custom Blender.glb models into Zircon3D. You can also create simple, editable objects directly in the scene, adjust them to any size, and apply colors or textures to them. We also added more smart device control cards for lights, covers, climate devices, locks, and fans. Roombox view is now supported, giving you a clearer room-level visualization. We also added multiple selection to make editing faster, along with many bug fixes and improvements to make the overall experience smoother. Now let's see how to upload custom models. Go to the Models tab, choose the Custom subtab, and click the Import button. Then choose your .glb file. For better performance, we recommend using low poly models, especially if you plan to use many models in the same project. After importing, the model opens in the model editor, where you can add a thumbnail and give it a name. In tags, you can choose how the model should be placed. For example, use in-wall for doors or windows, and on-wall for items like framed pictures, wall lamps, or air conditioners. You can also adjust the scale if the model size does not match your needs. In the texture section, you can see the colors or materials used by the model. You can change the color if needed. After changing the color, you can take a new thumbnail picture so the thumbnail matches the final look of the model. Now, in the custom model list, you can drag and drop your custom model onto the floor plan, just like the built-in system models. Let's upload another model that uses image textures. If your model includes texture images, you can choose to resize the texture images during import. This can help reduce the model size and improve performance, especially when using multiple custom models in the same project. Here is an air conditioner model. Since it should be mounted on the wall, we can set its tag to on wall, so it will hang on the wall correctly when we place it in the floor plan. Next is the new Simple Object feature. You can add a simple cube-style object directly to your scene, then edit its width, depth, and height to fit your needs. You can also set its color or material, so it can match the purpose or style of your project. Even though it is a simple object, it is very practical. You can use it to quickly create blocks, platforms, partitions, equipment placeholders, custom structures, or other basic shapes in your scene. We also added more smart device control cards for covers, climate devices, locks, and fans. For example, you can control garage doors, windows, shades, air conditioners, heat pumps, door locks, and fans directly from the 3D view. Here in this climate card, you can choose different modes, set the temperature, and adjust humidity if your device supports it. The available modes depend on your actual device, and this card can work with cooling systems, heat pumps, and other climate devices. Now this is the cover card. It supports garage doors, windows, blinds, shades, and similar cover devices. You can open or close the cover and set its position if the device supports position control. When the cover is open, the icon becomes red, making it very easy to notice the current home status directly from the 3D floor plan. Next is the existing light card, which has been enhanced in this release. You can now change the light color and set the brightness percentage directly from the control card. This makes it easier to adjust your lights without leaving the 3D view. Another useful improvement is the colored status bubble on the floor plan. When something important happens, like a window is open, a garage door is open, or a door is unlocked, the colored bubble makes it easy to notice right away. This makes the 3D floor plan more intuitive, because you can understand the status of your home or building at a glance. Next is Roombox view. With this feature, rooms can be displayed as colored box-style blocks. This is useful when you want a cleaner, more abstract view of your building, or when you want to visually separate different rooms, zones, or functional areas. In the next version, we plan to connect Roombox view with sensor data, so room colors can represent real monitoring values such as occupancy or other room-level data. Another small but very helpful feature is multiple selection. You can hold the Control key to select multiple objects or rooms, then move, rotate, or delete them together. This makes editing larger projects much faster. And finally, this release also includes many bug fixes and performance improvements, so the designer and viewers should feel more stable and smoother. Thanks for watching!